So, intellectual property rights, such as patents and copyright, are tools with which you can commercialize your knowledge and your research to enable you to license that technology and to form a spin-out company. For example, you can license those rights to a commercial partner who may be able to offer services or products that have benefit in the real world. Now, those rights are important because without those rights, that partner may not feel comfortable investing time and money in a new product for fear that it might be copied by competitors. Intellectual property is particularly important for computer scientists. This is because computer-implemented inventions are copyable and also they're scalable. And there might be very little to prevent people from stealing those ideas unless you have those rights in place.